Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultancy. Today we will see that in a chart, how can we know that a planet is going to be beneficial for us or harmful for us. By seeing the chart, we can within a second understand that this planet is going to be good one or bad one. This will be our today's topic and we will say in the coming video. Before that, anybody new to my channel, do like it, share it and subscribe it. And don't forget to press the icon bell. So friends, let's start. Let me share my screen with you all without wasting our time. So I have taken one chart. This is the Lagna is Capricorn Lagna. This is current chart only and the Lagna is Capricorn. So here, how we will know that a planet is good one or bad one? Before that, we have to know some combinations. So let me write the combinations over here. As all of you know that 5-9 combination is very beneficial and very good one. Second one is 3-1. 3-1 combination is the beneficial one. So let me write it down over here so it will be better for understanding. Good combination is 5-9, 3-11, these two combinations are very good combinations. After writing all those things, I will explain the same thing in the chart. How can we find out that the planet is good one or bad one? So this is good combination. 5-9 combination and 3-1 combination is a very good one, and these combinations gives very good results. So now bad combinations. Six, 8 combination is very bad. It generally gives bad results. Then next is 2-12. 2-12 is itself a bad combination. The same thing I will show you in the chart. And one more combination is there, 4-10 combination. This is also called as a bad combination when we see in the chart. And one more combination is there, which is average one. That is 1/7. 1/7 is the average one. So we will apply these combinations on this chart. So it will be clear for all of you how to see whether a planet is going to be useful or harmful to us. So right now, as I told you, 5-9 combination. So where is Sun sitting over here? Sun is over here. So you can see the Sun over here. This is the Sun over here. It is in the Sagittarius Rasi. So now we have to find out whether Sun in Sagittarius Rasi over here is going to give the good result or a bad result. So we have to find out the Rasi of the sun. Where is the Rasi of the sun? Leo is the Rasi which is here in the 8th house. So from here we will count up to sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm repeating again. 1 from sun's Rasi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sun from Rasi to sun it is 5, and if we count from sun to sun's Rasi, then it will come 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right now the combination is 5-9 combination, which is beneficial for us or for this native whose chart is this. So in this chart, sun will be beneficial for him. So this is 5-9 combination. And if we want to see the 3-11 combination, then we can take the example of a Jupiter. So Jupiter is in the 2nd house and its Mool Trikon Rasi is in the 9th house. I forgot one thing. We have to see it from the Mool Trikon Rasi. So here Jupiter is over here. When we count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here it comes 11, and from Rasi it comes 1, 2, 3. So 3-11 combination is created over here. Here we can say that Jupiter is going to give beneficial results to this native. In the same way, we can see all other examples also. Suppose average 1-7 is the average one. So here Rahu is over here in the 5th house, and in the 11th house Mars is there. So this combination is an average one. It's not so good. So we can say it is as an average combination. Then one more thing we can see here, 6-8 bad combination. Let me take one example of bad combination. Moon is here in the 4th house in the Aries Rasi, and Ketu is here. Ketu is here in the 11th house. So from here, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is 8. From Moon to Mars, it is coming 8, and from Mars we count to Moon, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6-8 combination is formed, and as I told you, 6-8 combination is not so good. So in this chart we can say that Moon or Mars, this is forming a combination of 6-8. So this is not good for this native. And the same thing, if we go for 2-12 combination, then let me tell you, here Saturn is over there in the 1st house. Saturn is there in the 1st house, and its Mool Trikon Rasi is in the 2nd house. So here from Saturn it is 1, 2, and from its Aquarius Rasi it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 and 12. So it is forming 2-12 combination from here. This is 2-12. As you can see, I have mentioned it over here. So it is forming 2-12 combination in this chart. So we can say for this native, Saturn planet is not going to give good results, as already in the 1st house, Saturn in the 1st house gives negative results, and according to Lal Kitab Kundali, Saturn is debilitated in the 1st house, as the 1st house is in the Kalpulus Kundali, it is of Aries Rasi. So friends, I hope you understood it and you have taken the screenshot of these combinations. It is very useful while when we see anybody's chart or find out the events. These combinations play a major role in the dasas, mahadasas, antardasas or pratintar dasas. So by heart these combinations, it's easy to remember it and apply it on your friend's chart and see your own charts whether these combinations are prevailing and how these combinations gives good results. So in my next video, I will be telling you that whether the relation with your father, the relation with your father will be a good one or a bad one, or how your mother is going to treat with you, how your brother, whether your brother will be beneficial or harmful to you. So in my next topic, I will give you those combinations. Do not forget to watch it. Till then, goodbye. See you soon and God bless you all. Thank you.